Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing a review for the Tape King TX100 packing tape dispenser. It's a 2-pack actually, so there's 2 guns inside of this box, and it also comes with 2 rolls of free packing tape. I like that they did that. But before we go any further, there's going to be an Amazon link in the description below for this specific tape gun as well as other tape guns on Amazon.com. And be sure to check out our other review for the U-line, which we're also going to be doing a versus video review for this and the U-line. I'm going to be comparing which we would actually choose in the end, so be sure to check that out as well. They claim it is the best side-loading 2-inch lightweight ergonomic industrial tape gun for shipping, moving, carton, and box sealing. So this is essential for any packing needs all the way from moving to your Amazon business or your eBay business. And these are great to have. It's always good to have a spare too, because if you don't have one in the car and you need to tape something when you're about to go to the post office, pretty important stuff. So let's take a look at the box, and then we're also going to show you what these things can actually do. Comfortable ergonomic grip, professional quality, easy roll threading, adjustable brake, and it is easy to use. It's also got a secure blade. There is a blade protector as well from when we were testing these out. So it's got how to load right here. If you guys want to read that off, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just pull it underneath, pull up, take off the spare tape, and then you can adjust the ease of rolling with the blue knob. Time saver, lightweight ergonomic grip, adjust tension control, sharp teeth, I can attest to that. 2-inch, holds 2-inch wide tape, holds a max of 4.5 inches in circumference, complimentary roll of tape times 2, and 2-pack of tape dispensers. Gotta dig that, and then there's just a picture of it doing its thing. Office, industrial, home, and warehouse. Fits all needs. So, let's get straight into this and show you what's going on. These are slick, straight out of the box. And it also comes with, this is funny, they had a instruction. Grab this really quick. Once again, guys, while I'm putting this box back, there's going to be an Amazon link in the description below for tape guns at Amazon.com. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com as well for a ton of different office products. We have a ridiculous amount of office and computer products, so be sure to check us out as well. So, they have a TX100 and 300. This is the 100 model, but it's basically a quick instructional on how to load and properly pack a box. They also have a YouTube video, apparently, on how to properly pack a box. But if you don't know how to pack a box and you're watching this, that is a problem, because it's pretty easy to figure out. Clear plastic swiper, blue blade cover. So these are all the parts list on here. Enjoy our hassle-free, no questions asked, 1-year warranty. So it does come with a 1-year warranty. Need help? Please contact support at tapeking.com. So if something breaks on here, they will probably either replace the part or just send you a straight-up new tape gun. So, with that said, let's get into the core of this and show you what these are about. So as you can see, this roll is a lot smaller than this, so we actually have experience using this thing. We've used, probably at least, I don't know how big the rolls are, but they're definitely at least 50 yards, so we almost used 50 yards of tape on this thing. And I gotta tell you, off the bat, I like them. For a, how much do these cost? I'll pull up the Amazon listing. So a 2-pack right now is $17. So for a tape gun that's $8.50 and comes with a free roll, these are very, very well made. I'm not saying it's the best ever made. I actually would go with the U-line. I'm going to do a versus video on why that is. But if you're on a real tight budget, I would go with the Tape King. You just pull it off. Oh, and it came with these blue covers for the blade. The blades are very sharp. And they have, it's not like the U-line ones where it's a little, they're almost like, instead of like 20 or 30 big blades, there's like maybe like 50 little tiny ones. So they have those big blades, so you got to be careful when you're doing this thing. But it cuts very clean, and they're very ergonomic. They're well made, hard plastic. The knobs are not cheap knobs. You know, they adjust very well. And you can see how much slower that is now that I adjusted it. But if I turn it back, really, really comes off a lot easier. So, good adjustment knobs, good blades, good protectors. The ergonomics on it, I would give it about like a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10, where I would give the Uline probably an 8.5 or a 9. So they're fine. I mean, if you're just packing boxes, man, for moving, these things are definitely sufficient. I wouldn't go crazy overspending a ridiculous amount of money if you're on a tight budget. So, I'm going to show you guys the Amazon link, and then I'm going to call it on this review and show you what's up. So, the Tape King, $16.95, 475 customer reviews at 4.5 stars. Pretty impressive. They also come in a 1-pack, so you don't have to buy a 2-pack. Comfortable ergonomic grip. Where's my brain today? I was trying to read while not reading. Adjustable brakes, easy to use, pretty self-explanatory. Also, their tape I want to go into. We're also going to have a link to tape in the description below if you're trying to save some money. I'm gonna check that tape price while I'm actually doing this review. So here's the deal. We have a review on the Uline one. It's like $2 more expensive. Do I feel it's a better one than the Tape King? Yeah, it is more expensive though by a couple dollars. I personally would pay it if you're going to use it for your everyday, but if you're on a really, really tight budget, Tape King's the way to go. And there's other tape guns too, but these are the 2 top reviewed ones for sure. There's the Tape King on top as well. So, top 2 guns. We're going to have a versus video after this, comparing the 2 ergonomic grips and a couple of other things if you want to watch that video. And where I wanted to leave off was shipping tape. Just to show you guys. I might see if it pulls up Tape King at the top or not. Getting Scotch, Virgo. Yeah, Tape King's at the top, man. I'm surprised. But I want to do the comparison on the Uline tape pricing to that, too. Let me check that really quick. See if I can save you guys some money on this. So I buy these at 36 rolls at a time. This is the Tape King. Let me try Tape King and see what it says. I don't know if they come in 36. Is this back? No. Alright, well, I'll be really quick. So, 60-yard rolls. 6 for $11.95, and there's 36 in here, I believe. Let me double check that. 36 rolls for $70, so let's do the math on that. So 36 divided by 6 is 6 times $11.95, and then we're going to multiply that twice because the Uline rolls are actually 110 yards each. So 6 times $11.95 equals $71.70, and we're going to multiply that by 2. $143.40 for this, roughly $143.40 for the same amount of yardage on these. These are 110. I think they're 110 yards. I want to verify that for you guys. Yep, 110 yard rolls. So you're paying about double for the Tape King stuff. This, just so you guys know, I'm not sure if you're still watching this video, this is the most affordable and best tape we could find on Amazon. It's $70 plus $4.99 shipped to your door for 36 rolls of 110 yards. The Scotch stuff is usually coming in at like, what do we got here? Like, yeah, they're all like 50-yard rolls. And they're really expensive. Look at this. 6 rolls for $23. That's such a ripoff. So we'll help you get better tape in the description below as well if you're looking to save some moolah. And that's pretty much it. Ooh, man, here's a look at this tape clear one. Jeez, this stuff is cheap. This is the cheapest one I've seen so far. I haven't used tape clear. I think this is dollar store tape though. And I've used it looks like dollar store tape. I don't like dollar store tape. Yep, I can just tell by the adhesive right there, man. This stuff's garbage. So, you know, the $70 range is really where you want to cut it off. I haven't used these $30 tapes. If you guys want to shoot me a comment in the description below if you think you found better tape, let me know. But the best ones I've used so far are the Uline industrial tape as far as affordability. Let me just type in shipping tape and see what comes up one more time. I want to see if that comes up in the top. No, you got to search for Uline to get it. All right, that's pretty much it on this review. Chmelaeon.com is out. I do recommend the Tape Kings. I also recommend the Uline. The Uline tape versus this tape, it's so negligible, man. Like, they're basically the same thing, and the Uline is almost half the price if you're buying in bulk. If you're not buying in bulk, the Tape King stuff is not bad at all. It might be slightly superior to the Uline as far as like layering and stuff, but other than that, not a big deal. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Check us out online. Check us out for our products. We have millions of SKUs, everything from office equipment all the way to baby clothing. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.